Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete comments on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and your profile icon. So first of all, go to the post where you want to delete comments. So I'm going to click on my profile icon. And then right here, I'm going to click on this post, for example. And then as you can see guys, right here under the post, you're going to find the number of likes, number of comments, and also this button to share it. So we're going to click on view all comments. And then right here, you're going to find all of the comments. So right now, as you can see guys, here you're going to find the comments. So for example, you're going to find under the comments, the option to reply to the comments. And here you're going to also have the option to hide the comment. So basically guys, you have the option to hide the comment or delete it. So basically guys, if you hide the comments will be hidden from people who view these posts. But if you want to definitely delete the comments, just go back. So I'm going to unhide it. And then, so we're going to unhide it. And then in order to delete it, just click on it. And then you will have these options right here. Here you're going to find the option to pin it, restrict account, report, block account, and lastly, delete the comment. So go ahead and click on delete. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.